Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we have officially made it to Paris and today I am super excited. We've got a lot of fun things on the list. I have my appointment at Chanel, at the original Chanel store, which is going to be super fun, and then even more exciting, we're going wedding dress shopping for my sister today. So yeah, it's gonna be a very jam-packed day and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So I'll give you guys a quick little outfit of the day. We got the boots, the coat, the tights. Alright, we are heading to breakfast. Yay! With Mom. And then shopping. So we decided to go to Angelina's as our first Parisian breakfast spot, and let me tell you, this did not disappoint. It was so cute and we had to try their hot chocolate. It was so good. It's like literally chocolate. So if you haven't had, I guess, European hot chocolate, or maybe it's just Parisian. We also had some hot chocolate in Belgium that was like this, but this hot chocolate was thick, like literally just felt like melted chocolate, which I'm not complaining about. It was so good. And then I had to do a quick little video of everyone's food. All of the food was so pretty, and I feel like that just makes going to restaurants and little cafes so much better when the food looks so pretty but then also tastes good. So the food was also really good here. I had to get my classic little eggs Benedict and they were so good. I loved how it was on kind of just like this big piece of toast as opposed to like the English muffins. It was fun, it was different. This is so beautiful. Got all the detail. So pretty. So took a quick little trip to check out the upstairs and the bathroom. I feel like when restaurants are really cute and pretty downstairs, their bathrooms are always really cool too. So I was like checking them out, and then they did have this front area of the restaurant that had all of these pastries and all of the little goodies that they make, and it was so pretty and looked so good. Alright, we just finished breakfast. The line is like out the door. We just walked up when we got there. I guess we're just a little early for Paris. And now we're heading to Chanel.
Yes.
So spoiler alert, I did end up getting a bag here, and don't worry, I will be doing a full unboxing for you guys on my channel, but it was just so fun being in that iconic Chanel store, and yeah. Alright you guys, we got the bag. Technically was not allowed to film in there, so we'll do an unboxing.
For there, we just finished it.
Iconic. The sales associate also recommended that we go to this little bakery pastry shop, so that is where we're heading next. So cute. It's a little chocolate bear. So cute.
Look at that candle.
Chocolate candle? Alright, food taste test.
First bite.
What do you think? We can have done here. What do you think?
It tastes like a dry donut hole.
Dry donut hole.
Should I try it?
Alright, I'll try it.
Oh, there's a jelly in there?
There's a jelly in there.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Let's go with the jelly.
Once you get the jelly, it's good.
Yum. Taylor. Alright, we're at the hotel with Taylor, who's gonna be trying on her dress soon. So excited. So excited. So we made it to the address where the shop was at, but it was honestly a bit confusing how to actually get there. There was like that little sign that I showed in the beginning that had the name of the store, but it was like not very obvious where you entered, at least to us. So somebody was there and told us, oh, you can just go on the left. And so we did. We found a door on the left, and it ended up being the back stairwell of the couture house. And so we totally went the wrong way, did not go through the front door, went through the back entrance. But honestly, it was kind of fun because then we got to go through like the back rooms to get to the front showroom, which was kind of a cool experience, seeing a little behind the scenes. And then here's my sister Taylor in one of the stunning, gorgeous, amazing haute couture gowns. This obviously is not the wedding dress that she picked, but it is one that she tried on. I just wanted to show you guys. It was such a cool experience. She literally looked like a princess in every dress. And then this was the next day, right back to shopping. Just kidding, we did some other fun touristy things, but obviously we were in Paris and I really wanted to go to the original Dior store. Okay, so I just wanted to pause on these little dolls here. I don't know that anyone else is watching that Dior show on Apple TV, but one of the scenes is where Dior dresses dolls because after the war they didn't have a lot of fabric to dress full people, so they did this whole exhibition dressing dolls, and it was really one of those iconic moments where he really stood out as a designer and showcased all of his talent. So I'm wondering if this is like a little play on that. Like, I'm looking back at this footage and now after watching the show I'm like, maybe this is like kind of a nod to that moment. I mean, we're in Paris, that's where it was showcased in the Louvre, and yeah, I don't know, I might just be making up that connection, but I don't know, I feel like it's too on the nose maybe to not be a nod to that, but yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you think this is like a little nod to that moment when he dressed the dolls after the war, or if I'm just making things up. Okay, back to regularly scheduled programming. Alright, so you've made it inside the actual Dior store, and I just wanted to freeze frame here again. This is actually a full-blown cafe they have inside the store, which is kind of wild, kind of crazy. And then obviously the first section we had to go to was shoes. They have so many beautiful shoes, like the sparkles, the ballet flats, so stunning. I think Dior really does have some of the most beautiful shoes. And then I found these sandals that had a full Paris map on them, which was so cool. And then we moved on to some handbags, and they just come out with this collection of the Four Seasons where they had all of these really pretty stitching and embroidery on the bags. These were the Paris map versus the new season bags, and then kind of just giving you guys a full look of what's going on. They also had more classic bags there, and this one was so beautiful. Like, honestly, I had come into Dior to get some earrings, which if you haven't seen that video, I did unbox them, but I was just so in love with that bag. I was so close to getting it, but then we moved back to jewelry. Alright, so we're back from our shopping in the Rain Adventure, and we got a little cute Dior bag. Add this to a little pile over here. This is the rainy day fit right now. I'm actually about to change because this is not the best rainy day outfit ever. I will say this coat is pretty nice in the rain because it is like kind of waterproof, but I pretty much just kept my bag under my coat the whole time because I was so scared that I was gonna get wet and ruined. So I'm definitely not wearing this bag out for dinner tonight. And then also my shoes, they are suede, so probably shouldn't get wet, but I'm slowly realizing I don't have that many good rainproof shoes that I brought. Anyways, this is our shopping look, and now we're going off to dinner or find food or go do something. Not completely sure yet. Alright, fast forward a couple days and we are now in Brussels, Belgium, and what I love most about Brussels is that all of the shopping, like all of the nice stores, are also by a million chocolate shops. Like that literally whole row had so many chocolate shops in it, and it was just such a cool place to just be and go into shops. A lot of them had samples that you could try, but then also, yeah, they had these like beautiful luxury jewelry stores just in between all of the chocolate shops. Like they have their priorities straight. They're like shopping and chocolate. So we love that. But yeah, so many stunning jewelry pieces. Like it was kind of crazy. I didn't really go into any of these stores because I felt like they were all costing $1 million to get anything in them, but some of them were really pretty, and yeah, I was just honestly surprised by the mix of stores in this venue. And obviously all of the chocolate shops were amazing. I mean, you hear Belgian chocolate, like it is truly the best. Yeah, just so many chocolate shops though. Like it was actually quite insane, just the amount of chocolate shops, the amount of fun desserts around there. They have like the waffles with all the fun toppings on them. Yeah, just a lot of really great food, a lot of really great chocolate, and obviously a lot of really great shopping. And yeah, that kind of closes out my European shopping adventures. I will be doing a full vlog on just my actual travels in general. And so look out for that video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you all in the next one.